We are Romayos.
Yes.
Guys, we came out to get some things from the store. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Romayos. Whoa. Center. Oh, madam, pay. Where's the lean meat now? The lean bowl.
Is lean ram. This potato bowl now. I'll rather go for like a chicken. I'll go mad. Let me go for it.
Hola, c'est tree. C'est Christmas tree. Hola.
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
Seriously addictive music.
I'll go for the lean 8 and yeah, just pick this lean 8 wrap. Really? It's more expensive. He's not adding anything again.
You already. So choose your sauce.
Choose garlic sauce. Mama, you don't bagotela. What are you looking for? Hey, what about drink? There's no pineapple juice, so
There's apple juice. Every kind of juice.
maybe you've not downloaded the app now. What are you waiting for? Too much money. 79. Hala, see duck. Duck. So this is our order. Everything is here. We're going home to eat. See how the car is. He's sweating. I've been crying. See everything that's. Let me go close and show you. See. We turned on the heating. So what's the cry? But see other cars. They're not like that. It's only our own.
Whoa!
I'm not going out.
later they will change you to one place. So. Do you agree? Okay, now what might they place?
Where's mom?
What it's
6 feet away. He was a sick sadistic bastard. He didn't need a reason. We did the best we could. I won't be made a scapegoat. That's not why I'm here, sir.
I call police for my sake. For your sake.
So, 4 days after the murders, a man walked into Pembroke Bespoke Jewelers and sold a 22-carat gold band. The band matched the description of Peter Dixon's stolen wedding ring. The seller of the ring had signed the receipt to J. Cooper. Now, on the basis of this information, one of your team at DC Deliveries questioned John William Cooper of